Yo, 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 it's your boy Pax, and I'm spinning. Nah, let me stop. So it is like, let me see what time it is actually.
It's Pax.
Hold on. It is 5:30. Okay, I'm about to go to Love's Day. I'm about to go kick it with him for a little bit. Ren's hit us up, told us to come through at like 10. So I just wanted to make the little intro video right now. For whatever reason, while I'm by myself, I don't know. But we about to slide over there, kick it, session, record. Well, not record, but like record the session, like the little, you know what I mean? The little link up. Stop. How you watching things for? But yo, that's what we about to do. Stay tuned. Hey, what up, y'all? We at Steak and Shake. Look at that artist, right? I'm POV. You're standing next to a rapper. A rapper. We at Steak and Shake. We ain't get to see Ryan, but we not gonna talk about it because don't worry about it. He's a businessman, like. But look, we about to get some good food, and we just gonna vlog the night. Yeah, facts. Whoa. Go ahead, Sean. You like the pickles?
Hey, yo, that sounds crazy.
Yeah, we got this. We got this whole thing to ourselves because that's just how we do it. We renovate. I mean, I said renovate, bro. We reserve the whole thing for ourselves. We're the rappers like that nigga lane. Maybe a little bit.
You don't want no shake, bro?
I'll take a shake too.
What type of shake you want, bro?
Little 1, 2, little 1,
I'm crazy, never lazy, always pushing, never mind a bitch. I need to breathe and taking my energy. I use the hate and motivation, really what you do to me. I'm in the trees, so really don't mess with me. I've been staying low key and to myself. I've been chilling on my own.
I popped up.
What? Yeah, that's crazy.
We got the double cup. Try some. Take a sip. Yo, the combo is the high C with the spray and the double cup. Sip that. How it tastes?
Splendid.
We gotta try it now. Alright, relax. Alright. He said a little bit of the high C. You feel me? And then the Spritzite. And I just like to even it out like so. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Where is that at? I keep saying the M word on here, and this is not okay. No, I'm gonna try when I get here.
Huh? I know it's in.
I just been wasting my time, so I close my eyes when I feel alive. Cause there ain't no getting it back. The memories that are stuck in the past, but never behind us. Illustrating rhymes up in my rhyme, but picture perfect like the power struggles. My heart into pieces from all of these puddles hold pain. My boots, all the troubles, they stop at the yard, don't step to this level. It took me a lot to get rid of the devil, but still he appears through all of these prayers. That shall not fear, cause I'm not afraid if I'm trying to make cake, but I do not cater to anyone watching my face. Don't know where I'm going, these trips with my papers. Let's watch it, I cannot wait, so I see you later.